Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 282 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can I get the recipe for the Jade Stone drink from the Chibang restaurant, please? Can we put a space simulator on board? Why does my husband always get the post-cruise survey? With the new email system coming up for questions, is that going to eliminate special requests? And can we make rainbow sprinkles available on the ship, please?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if they can get the exact recipe for the cocktail Jade Stone from the Chibang restaurant, as it is their favorite drink. They know what's in it, but would love to know the exact recipe. John said it is 2 ounces Bacardi Superior rum, which is the white rum, a ½ ounce of Midori, 1.75 ounces of white cranberry juice, and a ¼ ounce of fresh lime juice. That sounds pretty good. I mean, we don't go to Chibang that often, but that sounds delicious. Has anybody ever tried it? Put it in the comments below if you did. Let us know how it is. Question 2. This cruiser asked, what would you think about putting a space simulator on board? John said he's not sure what exactly is involved, but certainly sounds interesting, and he will mention it to the Beards. I mean, I know other cruise lines, they have like the VR simulators on board, so maybe that's something they can do, but will they have the space for it? Sorry. But if you like a space simulator, they're currently not on board. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This is a sore point for Liz too. This cruiser wants to know why their husband always gets the post-cruise surveys, and yet she is the one who does all the booking, enlisted as the first passenger, and has a higher status. John said it's random in the sense that they only send 40% of each cruise surveys to the guest. And as I said, Liz always complains about it too. She books it. She puts it on her credit card. She does everything, and the email comes to my email. So, are they knowingly sexist? I doubt it. It's just random. But this person, Liz, not the first person I've heard it. Seems to go to the dude for some reason. Don't get it. Don't get it. Question 4. This cruiser asked, with the new email system coming up for questions, will that eliminate all the people asking for a special treat to the room? He said he imagines these little treats can get expensive, but he hopes that they will be able to honor these requests for guests. John said, well, that is not his intention. It's just about him being able to do it on his own with Jacinta still on maternity leave. But he's not going to be able to do it every day, but he will do his best. So obviously doing this, I'm not the biggest fan of the email survey, and a lot of people, a lot of the emails for the questions, because a lot of people like reading through all the questions every day to learn stuff, and not going to be able to do that with the email. So I understand he's time constraint, but he still has to answer the emails for the request and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know. Not a fan. Not a fan. But the treats will not be going away. Last question. This cruiser asked if there's any way to make rainbow sprinkles available on the ship, as they are tired of bringing their own rainbow sprinkles on every cruise. John said, no. Unfortunately, we will not be providing these. Can you imagine the mess that these things would be all over the ship? It would look like Rainbow Bright exploded. Just picture the kids just taking a handful of these things, throwing them at each other. I mean, same thing they had to do with popcorn. They had to start charging for that because it ended up everywhere. So yeah, I think the sprinkles would be everywhere. It would be a rainbow disaster. That's been episode 282 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.